This short video will illustrate the creation of a machining cycle time to rough mill this contour using Kentech's KipwareCYC Machining Cycle Time Estimating Software. We'll keep the specific to a minimum, while providing you with an overview of the process to illustrate the speed and ease of use of Kipware. KipwareCYC uses length of cut along with auto-calculated speeds and feeds when calculating cycle time. So we will use the CYC SketchPad and the patent-pending machinist mode to determine the length of cut to rough mill the contour. We will begin by loading a DXF file of the contour. We'll start the machinist mode by first loading a user-defined cutting tool. In this case, we select a 1/2 inch end mill simulator. Now on the screen, the mouse cursor becomes the cutter. In the machinist mode, the user simply moves the simulated tool along the desired toolpath and double-clicks each time a movement is to be recorded. It is important to remember that we are not creating a G-code cutting program. We are only looking for a length of cut, as close to actual as possible. For this reason, the rough positioning is more than sufficient. Once the toolpath is defined, we can select Calculate. Input the total depth and a desired depth of cut. And the software will auto-calculate the length of cut. Copy and pasting or manually inputting that into the length of cut field. We can select Calculate, and KipwareCYC will auto-calculate speeds and feeds based on our material selection and associated material cutting database. The cutter diameter, our input length of cut, and use the machine specs of the machine we selected from our machine database. The cycle time is displayed and includes any handling time we previously input, rapid time, tool change time, and complete cutting time to machine the contour per our defined toolpath. We can see the total time for this operation. If there were other operations required to machine this workpiece complete, you can continue in KipwareCYC and estimate those operations also. This is a simple, brief overview of one aspect and feature of KipwareCYC. We invite you to explore KipwareCYC in more detail on our website, www.kipware.com, or through the many videos on our YouTube channel, KT Software. Thanks so much for your time.